What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are well. My name is Robert Harris from Optical Noise Photography. Today is just going to be a speed workflow like video. So I'm going to show you what I do for a full shoot in Lightroom in the develop module. I already did the quick selection before this video, so I'll do that next time. But I'm just going through all the shots that I think are the best ones. I'm adding color grades and I'm copying, pasting settings over, and then working the colors from there, and then adjusting some stuff. And then right at the end, when I'm done, I export. And then I took one photo into Photoshop, just did a retouch on it, a speed retouch. Very little editing to do on these. And because they're low light, there's not that much detail on her skin and stuff, so it's not a huge retouching mission. But I thought it would be fun to show you how I work through Lightroom to process a photoshoot, a full photoshoot, and then what I do on Photoshop to finish it off. Other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. What up to all the new subscribers? I love having you guys here. If you guys want something specific edited, or if there's a photo you want me to edit, drop me a message in the comments and I'll get in touch with you, and then I'll edit your photo on the channel. Let me know what you want me to do to it and so on. Other than that, let's get this video to 100 likes and I'll make you guys some free presets for Lightroom. Comment below which like you're on, if you're number 1 or 2 or 3, whatever, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. If you want to see my vlogs or my photo shoot behind the scenes, there are channel links below. There's links to all my affiliate gear and to some free trials for software. Try them out. Let's see what we can do. Have some fun. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.